Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now let's talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So first of all guys, let me show you here on the bigger time frame. Let's go even to the daily. I want to show you that this support line here has been going on since a long time, as you can see, since the end of last year already. And once we touch this line here, we will most likely see a huge move to the upside. And guys, if you want to learn how to become a professional trader, I've got the best trading course out there for you. Check the link. And also if you want to trade and sign up to a leverage exchange, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you what's going on, guys. As you can see here, usually we have really huge pumps to the upside once Bitcoin touches this area here. As you can see here, we had it, let's say here. We had it around here, and then we usually have huge moves to the upside, as you can see here, around 40%, and as you can see here, around 25%. So once we touch this, let me zoom in, then you can see it better. So let's go to the 4-hourly. Once we touch this line here, which should happen, this could happen, let's say, in the next 2 weeks, but I mean the move to the upside could even happen earlier, as you can see here, because here we even had a short fake out. That means we had a move to the downside and then we had a huge pump. So this could basically happen within the next days. And what would be really bullish, as you can see here, this line at around $30,300. Once we break this here to the upside, this could really lead to a huge move to the upside, because this has been acting as support and resistance since quite some time here. And basically, you know, the next big, the big resistance would come in here, which would be a move. Let's say if you would have a break around here, this could be around a 40% move. So it's very important that you pay attention to the charts now, guys. And even I would set an alarm if you break this line here, that you get a notification. This is what's going on the bigger time frame. And let's have a closer look here. This looks a bit messy because we have a lot of charts, but the more information we have, the more the more precise decisions we can make. What you can see here, this pattern here, this pattern here has been going on for around, let's say 3 or let's say for 4 weeks, and we broke down. So on the 1-hourly time frame, what you should watch out for right now is the following. We have this line here acting as support at around 28,800, and then we have this previous support line acts now as resistance at around $29,900. So to become really bullish, let me show you this yellow line here is the median line, so to say. As you can see here, we have this strong support and here this strong resistance here. So we would have to break above this, and as of right now we are trading somewhere in the mid-range. So it's really important. Let's say once we would break significantly, that means with a 4-hourly close above this white line here, this would be bullish. That's around, let's say around $29,900. This would be bullish, and then of course we have this resistance here to break at $30,300. That's what's going on. But the really important move will come. Let me show you once again. It's easier to see here. Once we touch this line here, and then we should maybe see a huge move to the upside if history repeats. Of course, I will also show you what's going on with Ethereum. I showed you in the previous video. Let's go to the daily time frame even. This support line, this is a very strong support line here. And always when you touch it, we usually see a huge move to the upside. Here we had it, here we had it, here. And now, let me zoom in to the 4-hourly, then you can see it better. We are almost touching it. We are almost touching it already. And once we touch this here, we could see a really huge pump. So I would really pay attention to this line, set an alarm so that you don't miss the trade. If you want to play that a bit risky, you could even enter a trade right now with a stop loss below this line at around, I don't know, let's say $1,790. But this could be a really huge trade opportunity, guys. So that's what's going on right now, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.